How to fix Facebook Marketplace icon missing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you how you can fix Facebook Marketplace icon missing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you open up Facebook and you don't have the marketplace icon over here like me, and you might be wondering where is it. Well, it's not actually missing, it's just that it's hidden and Facebook automatically hides it. This happens when you don't usually use marketplace, because these options over here are the ones you frequently use. If you don't normally go to Facebook watch, you will not be able to find Facebook watch here. If you don't normally go to friends, you will not be able to find friends. So it just means that it is hidden. So where do you find it? Well, you have to just go to your profile here, which is this three lines option, and then just go to this all shortcuts tab. Under all shortcuts, if you don't find marketplace, you can tap on see more and then search for marketplace. In my case, you can see right over here. Now the more you use marketplace, the more it is actually going to show up in between your feed. So right here you can just keep going to marketplace and then you'll find it within those shortcuts tabs. So this is like an auto process. There is no way you can do it yourself, but Facebook will automatically determine that. So this way you'll be able to fix Facebook Marketplace icon missing. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.